माननीय वित्त मंत्री श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमण.
The union budget on Tuesday unveiled big-ticket measures for Bihar, proposing an outlay of 26,000 crore rupees for various road projects in the state and outlining plans for new airports and sports infrastructure. The government will also provide 11,500 crore rupees to the state for flood mitigation. Describing the eastern part of the country as being rich in endowment, Nirmala Sitharaman announced support for construction of an industrial node at Gaya.
On the Amritsar-Kolkata industrial corridor, we will support development of an industrial node at Gaya. This corridor will catalyze industrial development of the eastern region. The industrial node at Gaya will also be a good model for developing our ancient centers of cultural importance into future centers of modern economy. This model shall showcase Vikas Bhi, Virasat Bhi in our growth trajectory.
Sitharaman also said that 20,000 crore rupees will be allocated for highways in the state. The government will also set up airports, medical colleges and sports infrastructure in Bihar. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said the government will arrange financial assistance to Bihar through aid from multilateral development agencies.
Power projects, including setting up of a new 2,400 megawatt power plant at Pir Painti, will be taken up at a cost of 21,400 crore rupees. New airports, medical colleges, and sports infrastructure in Bihar will be constructed. An additional allocation to support capital investments will be provided. The requests of Bihar government for external assistance from multilateral development banks will be expedited.
NDA ally Janata Dal United reacted positively to the announcements, calling it a Bihari budget.
बिहार के लिए 1,00,000 करोड़ रुपए से ज्यादा के आर्थिक मदद के प्रोविजंस हैं, तो बिहार का कायाकल्प करने की दिशा में विशेष राज्य का दर्जा की जो हमारी मांग थी, उसकी दिशा में ये एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम है. हम प्रधानमंत्री, वित्त मंत्री और नीतीश कुमार जी तीनों का स्वागत और सत्कार करते हैं कि इस बार के बजट में इसको बिहारी बजट बनाने का काम उन्होंने किया.
However, the opposition RJD said it was a disappointing budget as it failed to fulfill the long-held demand to grant special category status to Bihar.
बिहार को लेकर के हम लगातार कह रहे हैं विशेष राज्य का दर्जा और विशेष पैकेज दोनों चाहिए. आपने क्या किया? पीनट पकड़ा दिया हमें. मतलब सड़कों के एलोकेशन के पैसे को आप कह रहे हैं कि बिहार को दिया. क्या सड़कें नहीं बनती या पहले नहीं बनी? ये कौन सा तौर तरीका है?
The finance minister also proposed the development of Vishnupad temple at Gaya and the Mahabodhi temple at Bodh Gaya for creating a corridor modelled on the Varanasi-based Kashi Vishwanath temple corridor.